this lesson, we will see that single row subquery can combine an aggregate field function to the main query. Let's see an example. Unit price of products that are higher than the average unit price of category 6. So we're talking about aggregate field function. We have select category ID, product name, unit price from products, but we want to get all this data that the unit price is higher than the average unit price of category 6. At first, we need to understand what is the average price of category 6, and then after we have this, we want to get all the categories and product names that are higher than this average unit price. Here we see we have categories 6, 8, 3, and so on of these product name that their unit price are higher than the average price of category 6. And we know that the average price of category 6 is 54. We see we have 55, 263, and so on. All these prices of these categories and these products are higher than 54. That is the average unit price of category 6. Let's see it in the SQL server. So first of all, let's start with the products table. So we have select asterisk from product table. When running it, we get the entire product ID, the categories, the product name, and the unit price. We want only the unit price that are higher than the average unit price of category 6. First of all, we have where category ID 6. We want to know information about this category. We have 6 rows. This is the unit price, but we want the average unit price. We write the average unit price, and when running it, we'll do 97 plus 39 and so on, and divide it by 6. There we get the average unit price. It's 54. After that, let's go to the main query. We have the select asterisk from the product. And what we want that the unit price, where the unit price is higher than 54. We get all the unit price, which is higher than 54 when running it. We get 6 products. We see all of their unit price is higher than 54. But we don't know the value 54. We just know that we want the average price of category 6. And if you can think about it, it can change each day, because products, unit price are changing, and we always want to get the data of the unit price that is higher than the average unit price of category 6. Therefore, what we do is write a subquery, and let's put them in parentheses. Inside we have the value, one value that we need, just one, 54, and what we want to get is the category ID, the product name, and the unit price. The unit price needs to be higher than the average unit price of category 6. When we run it, remember we have 54, we get all the unit price that are higher than 54 of the average unit price of category 6. And we get the entire category that have the products with the unit price that is higher then 54.